How to resize and arrange the charts on your screen. You can resize any chart by simply dragging one of the sides or corners to the size you want, as you can see. BlackArrow also has a feature to automatically reorganize every window you have opened. You just click Window in the main menu and select the option you want. Arrange horizontally, arrange vertically, Cascade, arrange all, Smart Layouts, which you smartly rearrange your screen, selecting the number of windows you have opened, and last Main Window, which you relocate the whole BlackArrow window. Here you can also arrange free windows. To free a window, you first click the 3 points in the right up corner and select Free. Now it is detached from the BlackArrow's main window, and you can drag it anywhere you want, for example, to another monitor. If you don't want to visualize a chart or a window, you can simply minimize it by clicking here or close it by clicking here. Now you can build your own layout.